Autistic people, let it be known, there is a huge carnivore movement happening and it seems unstoppable at this point. This is a big derp for those who have pushed the idea that red meat and saturated fats are bad for your health.
Nope.
In this very large social media survey from Harvard University that followed over 2,000 people that were on a carnivore diet for at least 6 months is spreading shockwaves around the country. Those who self-proclaim that they are on a carnivore diet consuming roughly 85% of red meat and the rest other types of meat, poultry, and dairy have said they were motivated to try this so-called risky diet due to major health reasons. 95% of them who began the carnivore diet had things such as diabetes, being overweight, low energy, autoimmune diseases, digestive problems, mental health, allergies, skin issues, brain clarity, etc. The amazing part was that the prevalence of negative symptoms noted was very low, less than 5.5%, and those symptoms were noted as being gastrointestinal, muscular, and dermatologic. And 75% of participants denied over-the-counter supplementation such as dietary, herbal digestive enzymes, and antioxidants, and seemed perfectly fine without them, whereas roughly 66% plus of vegans require vitamin supplementation. It's a fact that animal-based foods have all the essential nutritional requirements that we need, so it makes sense that being on a carnivore diet is safe and effective as a way to better quality of life. In fact, 95% said their satisfaction and improvements in overall health were extremely high. A huge thing circulating the internet is called Carnivore Zen, which is a calm and zen-like feeling you get on a pure carnivore diet. I should at least note what is noted in the study, that there is a high chance of bias due to this being a memory recall survey, and there were no labs that were actually taken. However, the best way to know how their blood work is doing is asking them yourself. I highly suggest joining support groups such as Autistic Carnivores and Real Food Carnivore Kids on Facebook to ask your questions if you are interested in trying out what many are calling the ancestral appropriate lifestyle. In regards to your autistic child, not a lot of studies have been done about the carnivore diet per se, but carnivore can also fall under the ketogenic diet. If your autistic child is still having adverse effects on a typical ketogenic diet, then it might be beneficial to try the ultimate elimination diet, which reduces almost all inflammation. Again, check out those support groups to answer many of your questions. I hope you found this interesting, and I'll see you in the next one.